Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up price lists on Foundation's seller portal. With price lists, you can offer different pricing strategies for various types of buyers, such as new customers, loyal customers, large volume purchasers, and so on. Let's dive right in. First, log into the seller portal. On the left-hand column, you'll find the Products section. Click on All Products to navigate to your product list. Select the product for which you want to set up a different price list. Once you're on the product page, navigate to the Pricing tab. This is where we'll start setting up our price list. Here, you'll see an Add Price List button. Click on this button to create a new price list. You'll be prompted to name the price list. Let's say we're creating a special price list for our loyal customers, so we'll name it Loyal Customers. After entering the name, press Enter to create the new price list. By default, the pricing for this new price list will be 0, but we're going to change this according to our pricing strategy. For our loyal customers, we might want to offer a 10% discount compared to our standard pricing. Once you've set the prices for your new price list, don't forget to click Save. Now you can apply this price list to other products. Just go to the Pricing tab for each product, and you'll see the new price list there. Remember, if you don't set a price for a product under the new price list, the price from the default price list will be displayed. Now let's assign this price list to a specific customer. Navigate to the Customers tab on the left-hand navigation menu and select the All Customers. Select the customer you want to assign the price list to. On the right side, you'll see Add Price List. Select the Loyal Customers price list we just created and click Update. And that's it. You successfully set up a price list on Foundation's seller portal. This customer will now see the customized pricing from the new price list when they log in. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.